Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your phone app and text-to-speech engine are installed and updated. Once ready, open settings and navigate to apps or sound and vibration, because the announce call voice setting usually lives with call or TTS controls. You should also inspect accessibility briefly to ensure no conflicting services override announcements. Next, tap the phone app entry to access in-app permissions and notification controls. This first actionable step. Once inside phone app settings, find answering, call, or announce caller ID options. Different manufacturers label it differently. Then tap call announcements to view available modes, always, contacts only, or never, and choose the behavior you want. Next, go to text-to-speech output to pick the engine and voice profile. Select a voice that sounds clear at typical call volumes and set language matching your locale. Make these choices because the engine dictates pronunciation and tone during live calls. You finish by testing. Place a test call or have someone call you to confirm the announce voice reads correctly. If the speech is too fast or unnatural, return to TTS settings to adjust speed and pitch. If it's silent, check app permissions, do not disturb, and notification channels to ensure announcements are allowed. Once done, reboot the phone to apply changes. If problems persist, update or reinstall the phone app and TTS engine. That often resolves remaining conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.